Your role as a teacher to young students is vital to not only their academic success, but their overall social emotional development. However, sometimes between your own tasks, demands, and deadlines at work, it may seem challenging to ensure you're still allowing for that time to slow down, connect, and check in with your students. The to-do list for the day may be long, and before you know it, students have packed their bags and left for the day, and there hasn't been a chance for one-on-one, focused time with each child. The Centre for Child Counselling's A Way of Being with Children manual and workshop content will help you find easy, effective ways to integrate techniques throughout the day that help a child feel connected to you, seen, heard, and valued. You'll find our course materials and additional information at centreforchildcounselling.org.